Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bodybuilding steroids is probably one of the most controversial topics in the fitness world, offering a potential shortcut to muscle growth but carrying significant health risks. This video will delve into the various types of bodybuilding steroids available, exploring their mechanisms of action, potential benefits, and most importantly, the potential side effects and long-term health consequences associated with their use, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Jacked Factory N.O XT. Introducing Jacked Factory N.O XT, the ultimate nitric oxide booster. It's designed to help you power through your workouts with incredible pumps and increased strength. This cutting-edge formula fuels nutrient delivery to your muscles, creating the perfect environment for growth. Get ready for enhanced pumps, strength, and endurance. The synergistic blend of L-arginine, L-citrulline, and nitrosamine in N.O XT increases nitric oxide production. This leads to powerful muscle pumps, improved endurance, and less fatigue during your workouts. N.O XT is formulated with premium ingredients, including the most potent form of L-arginine. It's a hard-hitting supplement designed to help you reach your fitness goals. Jacked Factory N.O XT is manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility, ensuring purity and potency. It's free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial dyes. With N.O XT, you'll experience skin-tearing pumps, endless endurance, and increased strength. It's the key to unlocking your full athletic potential. What we like. It boosts nitric oxide and enhances vascularity. If you are looking for a pre-workout supplement to increase muscle pumps and endurance, you should consider this. It will push your exercise to a new level and delay fatigue in the gym. What people say. Muscle growth and pumps. This stuff is legit for muscle growth and pumps. I've noticed some serious gains since I started taking N.O XT. My muscles feel fuller and more vascular. The key players in this supplement, nitrosamine, L-arginine and L-citrulline, are a dynamic duo that synergistically boost nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it widens blood vessels and improves blood flow. The increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to working muscles, enhancing endurance, promoting faster recovery, and fueling explosive muscle growth. Great pumps and added energy for your workouts that I have seen strength gains while using this product. Number 4. Androsurge Estrogen Blocker. Introducing Androsurge, a natural testosterone booster for men. It's a unique blend of ingredients designed to help optimize your testosterone levels and overall well-being. This supplement helps metabolize estrogen, contributing to a healthier hormonal balance. It features key ingredients like Tongkat Ali, Dim, and Long Jack, all known for their potential benefits. Experience increased energy, vitality, and a renewed sense of drive. It can help you power through your day and enhance your performance, but remember, it's not a miracle cure. Androsurge can help you build muscle and increase strength when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. It promotes muscle fullness and reduces muscle breakdown during workouts. It's made in a state-of-the-art facility using premium ingredients tested for purity and potency. You can trust that you're getting exactly what's on the label. We use research-backed ingredients and transparent labeling. It's free of fillers and dyes, providing pure and effective results you can trust. What we like. It's a natural testosterone booster and estrogen metabolizer. If you want to optimize your natural potential and build muscle, this is a great option. It promotes muscle fullness during training and reduces muscle catabolism. What people say. Since starting Androsurge, I've noticed significant improvements in my vitality and overall performance. The combination of natural ingredients like Dim, Long Jack, and grape seed extract seems to work wonders for boosting energy and supporting my muscle building goals. I've experienced more strength during my workouts, and my recovery time has improved dramatically. Well, after 3 weeks of taking it, the results are noticeable, to say the least. My man boobs are shrinking back to normal, feeling tighter, my strength training is on point, I've lost 6 pounds. 2 pounds a week is about ideal, and each day I wake up feeling a little tighter than the day before. I can feel and see the fat loss in my arms, waist and shoulders, and perhaps most importantly, my chest. Been taking for about 3 months now. It works, I'm hitting new PRs every week and dropping weight cause of the muscle growth. Feeling strong. Number 3. Jacked Factory Build XT. It's not magic, it's science. This supplement helps you get the most out of your workouts. Remember, results still depend on your training and diet. Push your limits with the help of its unique adaptogenic formula. It enhances your endurance, allowing for more intense and effective training sessions. It stimulates ATP production, your body's main energy source. This leads to better athletic performance, increased strength, and lean muscle growth. This supplement is designed to help you build a stronger, leaner physique. Its unique blend of ingredients supports muscle growth and improves nutrient absorption. It's made in a facility that meets high-quality standards. You can trust that it's pure, potent, and free of harmful additives. What we like. It amplifies your efforts in the gym and enhances endurance. If you are looking to unlock peak performance and fuel your cells for improved athletic performance, strength, and lean muscle gains, you should consider this. It's a powerful supplement that helps you push your limits. What people say. We started using several Jacked Factory products together, and so this review will reflect the effect of using them all. These initially included Nitro, Intra, and Growth Surge as well as Build XT. We liked them so much that we then purchased Androsurge, Green Surge and Power Build used in place of Growth Surge some days. Overall, taking these really helped us get more work done than we had been doing without them. By the end we were certainly in better shape than when we started. I enjoyed using Build XT for the steady boost in energy and endurance without any crash, and I appreciated the clean formula with no fillers. I noticed significant performance improvements. Building XT increases my running endurance and gives me focus and mental clarity like a stimulant but without the jitters. So outside of physical exercise, it could be taken as a nootropic to increase one's workflow and/or quality of life. Additionally, I found that taking it before bed allows me to wake up earlier and feel more refreshed. Number 2. Nutrex Anabol Hardcore. It's a powerful anabolic activator designed to help you build bigger, stronger muscles. It promotes lean muscle growth and increased muscle density for a harder, more defined physique. When combined with weight training, it helps signal your body to increase muscle protein synthesis. This leads to faster muscle growth, recovery, and strength gains. It's formulated to help you achieve leaner and denser muscle mass. It's perfect for those serious about building muscle and increasing strength. It's made with fast-absorbing vegetable capsules and is free of any animal products, making it suitable for vegetarians. Not only does it help build muscle, but it also helps you recover faster from intense workouts. This allows you to train harder and more frequently. With its anabolic activating properties and muscle-building support, it helps you achieve your fitness goals faster. Remember to combine it with a high-protein diet and intense training for optimal results. What we like. It's a powerful anabolic activator that helps build lean, dense, high-quality muscles. If you want to achieve leaner and denser muscle mass, this is perfect for you. It triggers muscle protein synthesis and helps you recover faster. What people say. This is my third time now using this and it actually works. If you aren't putting in the work at the gym, you more than likely won't notice anything. I feel way stronger and more defined. I've been using Anabol Hardcore by Nutrex for the past 4 months, and I paired it with Anabol Ripped for even better results. This combination has been a game changer for me. From the start, I noticed a huge boost in energy and workout performance. In just 4 months, I've gained significant lean muscle and my strength has skyrocketed. This here is a gym bag must-have if you want to really take advantage of the gym and get the most out of your workouts. Didn't have any side effects to this except an increased appetite. Would definitely recommend if you want to bulk up in size and strength. I know my gym bros like numbers, so before this I was hitting 225.7, 2 weeks later I am now at 225.10, 10th rep a fight, but definitely a difference. Number 1. Regains HGH Support. It's a premium workout supplement designed to boost your body's natural growth hormone, leading to enhanced muscle growth and increased strength. Transform your physique and achieve peak performance. As a leading muscle-building supplement, it promotes rapid muscle growth and speeds up your recovery after intense workouts. Experience better training results and be ready to face any challenge. It's not just for men, it also benefits women by supporting vital peptides for muscle growth, stronger bones and joints, improved mental clarity, and better sleep quality. Maximize your overall well-being. This muscle builder is manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility in the USA and undergoes rigorous testing in an NSF-certified lab, guaranteeing the highest quality and purity. You can trust in its effectiveness. Regain your joint strength, lean muscle mass, and achieve a body that makes you look and feel your best. Experience the superior quality and results of an American-made product. What we like. It turbocharges the body's growth hormone levels, enhancing muscle growth and fueling superior strength. If you need exceptional recovery support and want to boost rapid muscle growth, you should consider this. It accelerates post-workout recovery and promotes stronger bones and joints. What people say. It has a great combination, great ingredients of exactly what I need to help me out. The pill size is easy to swallow. There is no taste or smell, which is great. It does everything it says it will do. I loved feeling energized and less sore from my workouts. When I use your product, my muscles are not as sore or fatigued as they usually would be. Besides that, the product arrived quickly, and in a short period of taking I've seen tighter muscle growth and improved energy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.